If you already have a size chart on a web page and don't want to recreate it from scratch, Kiwi Size Chart makes it easy to import it in just a few steps. Let me show you how it works. Start by opening your Kiwi app dashboard, then click Add New Size Chart in the upper right corner. You will find different options for creating your size chart. Since we're importing from a web page, select Import from Web Page. Next, paste the URL of the web page that contains your size chart. Once you've added the link, Kiwi will scan the page and automatically detect any tables or images it can use. When the results appear, take a moment to look through them and find the size table you want. Then click Use this table to import it. Just keep in mind that this step uses 1 credit, so it's a good idea to double check that you've selected the correct table before confirming. If you entered the wrong link, you can simply click Change Web URL, paste the correct one, and try again. Once your table is imported, you'll be taken into the editor, where you can make adjustments, update the layout, and customize it to match your store. And that's it. You can now import size charts directly from a web page, saving time while keeping your sizing accurate and consistent.